Hi guys, Ines here with SEO Power Suite, a handy toolkit to optimize your websites and increase search traffic. Today, I'll be talking about international SEO and Hreflang implementation. If you know that many of your website visitors come from different countries and speak different languages, then it may be time to make some changes to your website to create a better experience for all of your users. One of these changes is adding Hreflang attributes to sites pages. Basically, this attribute tells Google which language you are using on a specific page, so the search engine can show that result to users searching in that language. Here is a code sample. Before you start adding any tags and links to your pages, you need to decide which method you'll use and stick to it later on. You can add some HTML code to your site's pages. You can specify Hreflang tags with an XML sitemap, or you can add the code to the site's header. Luckily, the new Hreflang module in Website Auditor helps you fully manage this challenging process, even if you have thousands of pages to localize. Launch Website Auditor and open a creative project. Switch to the Pages module. Click the Website Tools button and choose the localization method. Using this editor, you can generate pieces of HTML code with the necessary language and country tags. Let's see how it works. Select the page you want to localize and press the localization button. First, you specify the language of the original page. I'll pick English. You can also specify the country if you need to, or skip this setting and click Apply. You'll see the new EN element added next to the page. Now let's connect this page with its German copy. Click Localization, specify the URL of the German translation, select the language and click Apply. Keep in mind that you can also add URLs from subdomains and even external websites in case you are using local top-level domains. Now you'll see that both pages have two language tags, DE and EN. Let's add one more translation, the Spanish one for instance. Again, we click Localization, specify the URL of the page in Spanish, and choose Espanol from the drop-down list. Now all three pages have been marked within our editor. When you are done specifying all language versions, hit Save and Export. Open this TXT file and you'll see the simple how-to instructions. Add this piece of HTML code to each of the pages above. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? Surely, when you have thousands of pages to localize, you'll have much more HTML to add to each of the pages. In that case, you may consider using the second option, localizing pages using the sitemap file. Click the Website Tools button and this time choose Sitemap. Select the page and click Set Hreflang. Now we'll repeat the steps we followed before. First, set the original language and click Apply. After that, specify the pages with translations and click OK. When you are done specifying the language versions for all necessary URLs, hit Next. You can either upload this new sitemap via FTP or save it to a hard drive and upload it later. And that's it. Say you've already added Hreflang tags to your websites and want to check if everything's been set up correctly. To do this, simply head to Site Structure, Site Audit, and find the Localization section. If your pages do not have any Hreflang implementations, the whole section will be error-free by default. If you have added Hreflang, you can view all unique Hreflang values in language versions and all unique resources with Hreflang tags in pages with Hreflang elements. In case you have any errors with implementation, the tool will flag such issues with warning or error. Click on each factor to see the detailed information about it. Website Auditor will give you hints on what these factors mean and which pages' tags need to be fixed. After fixing the flagged issues, click Rebuild Project and let the tool recheck the new implementation. Keep in mind that in addition to Hreflang implementation, there are some other signals to show search engines that your site targets a specific country, such as hosting your site on a local IP, linking to local content, building links from local resources, finding ways to rank on local search engines like Yandex in Russia and Baidu in China. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions on Hreflang tags, make sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching!